Hi guys, welcome to this van tour of a Citroen Relay L3H2. This van is one of our signature Milo models. If you're interested in the spec, you can check this out on our website for more details.
This van is named Stanley by the owners and it's fully off-grid with a full hot water and heating system, so we can't wait to show you around.
This is a 2-berth conversion and the cab features 2 captain seats. The passenger seat is on a swivel plate, so when you're in the living space you can spin it around and join that area. I've not done it in one take. Behind the cab we have a bulkhead curtain. At night time we draw this across the front of the van to create a blackout effect and to increase the insulation inside the living space. Behind the cab we've got some additional storage in this step here. And you can see behind the driver's seat itself we've got some storage area where you can put coats, shoes or stow the table when it's not in use. Customers of this van are dog owners, so we've added this feature here which is a dog tie down point, so you can have your dog on the lead when you've got the door open. So behind this door we have the shower cubicle. This features a domestic style mixer bar shower in matte black. That's provided by a hot water system which is the Truma Combi. We've got a composting toilet which is a Nature's Head loo. This is a really nice feature. It allows you to go off grid for weeks at a time without having to go to the campsites. That's simply removed from the bungee when you want to use the shower room as a shower complete. We've lined the shower cubicle with these Rico Surfaces Metro style tiled walls. We really like the effect of these. It gives the effect of tiling and they're very lightweight, which is good for your van conversion. On the back of the shower door we've got this full length mirror so you can check yourself out, and 2 hooks for hanging your towels or your dressing gowns on. The shower cubicle is also a drying room, so there's a heat vent that runs into this area so it can dry out all of your wet towels. We've also got these hanging solutions here which provide additional hanging space if you want to dry things out when it's in the wet room. Dry room. On the back of the kitchen unit we've got this drop down table which can be there for your drink stand if you've got some seating area set up outside. It's a really nice feature. It's easy to put away and stow, and I'll show you the external shower point as well. This is the external shower point. Behind this flap is a connector which you then just put the shower into, and it's a trigger operated shower point. It can also run hot water as well as cold, which is a really nice feature. We've also put a 30cm extension onto the end of the kitchen unit. This allows you extra prep space when you're doing your food. The kitchen tap's located here, so if you do fancy having a second shower head when you're outside, you can swivel it around and enjoy the hot water.
So behind the shower cubicle here we've got lots more storage space. In this compartment we normally put in a wardrobe for our clients, but this client actually preferred to have shelves. So we've got lots of shelf space which could be for clothes and other storage. There's some mirrors on the backs of these doors as well. And then underneath you've got a large drawer which is ideal for things like utensils for cooking. Underneath the cupboards we've got a large fridge which is a CRX 80, and it's also got a small freezer compartment in as well. Behind that we've got a full-size pantry which is loads of extra storage for all your kitchenware, things like dried goods, and you can get loads in these baskets and they also do come out as well. So in this dinette layout we've got lots of room at the front of the van, so we've spanned the kitchen over both sides, which is really nice for lots of prep work. At the front here we've got a large deep sink which is a domestic size, so it's really good space, and we've put these inserts in which gives you extra worktop as well. We've cut them in half so that you can always be prepping on one end and just rinsing things on the other as well. Underneath here we've got lots of storage for things like cleaning products and a really deep drawer as well. Next to that we used a Thetford triplex. We put these in all of our vans and absolutely love them. It's a 3-burner hob, oven and grill, so you've got really everything you need to cook like you'd have at home. And underneath that we've got another drawer as well, which is ideal for pots and pans and things like that. Here we've also got a small cutlery drawer which pulls out and has just got your dividers for your cutlery. and underneath is a small cupboard for a bin. On the other side of the van, we've got lots more worktop space for prepping and some other deep drawers as well, which are ideal for things whether it's kitchen appliances or your living and clothing. We've got some shelves above for decorations and just to make it that bit more homely, and underneath here is where the boiler is housed in a removable panel, so you can access that when you need to. So at the rear of the van, we've got this really nice open plan seating area that then transforms into a bed at night time. It's a really nice space because even if the weather's not great, you've got lots of windows around this area that are quite big, so you can see out and feel part of nature. And of course, on a lovely day, you can open the back doors and really have that really nice feeling of bringing the outside in. Amongst this space, you've also got the overhead cupboards on both sides. Sorry, I'll say that again. For these seat cushions, we actually use a proper memory foam mattress, so it's a really comfortable bed as well. And we really like this idea of using additional pillowcase covers which also go over the pillows that you'd use at night. So it means you don't have to find extra storage in the van to house your pillows. You can have them out as throw cushions during the day and then use them at night. And they really give a nice extra homely feel as well. Above this area, you've also got two large overhead cupboards for extra storage, and so the table we use in this dinette area is made out of the same wood as the worktop, so it all matches, and we use a lagoon leg, which is really great because you get lots of movement and you can swivel it so you can easily get in and out, and the leg is mounted at the back here, so there's no table leg in the middle where your feet are, so it leaves it all open. You can also remove this table from the leg and from the platform to then drop down into the middle of the cushions, and that will form your bed, and then these backrests fold into the middle to make up your mattress.
One of the things we really love about this layout is being able to sit up in bed, open the back doors to a lovely view, and you can have a nice cup of tea, put on and enjoy your breakfast with a view. At the head of the bed, you've got two reading lights with touch sensitive switches. These also have a USB charger function for your mobile phones, and the bed dimensions are just smaller than a standard double at 1.80 m length and 1.40 m wide. We like to put these max air fans above the living area of the van. They can blow air both in and out, so you can extract fumes when you're cooking, but also blow air in when you want some cooling down. They're really good because they're permanently vented as well, which helps prevent the build-up of humidity inside a van conversion, which is really important to stop condensation, and they are remotely controlled via this unit here. On this wall, we've got the main control panel for the Sargent 12-volt control system. This powers the 12-volt circuits on and off via this switch here. You can turn on your water pump and also check your water level gauges by pressing this button here. In the overhead cupboard, we've got some more controls. There's the remote control for your max air fan at the back of the van. We've also got a switch for your LPG level and solenoid, so turns that on and off. There's a Truma Combi control panel, which is the boiler system for your hot water and your thermostatic heating. And we've also got the battery monitor, which tells you how long you can last off-grid. To enable your van to be off-grid, we like to install 3 charging systems into our van conversions. The first primary method is a solar charger. We've installed a Victron MPPT Smart Solar. This is a really good piece of kit, and it will charge your batteries whenever there's daylight hours available. You can access it via your app and control the settings, and also see what kind of solar yield you're getting on a day-by-day basis. The other methods are to use a DC-DC charger. Again, we recommend the Victron Orion Smart DC-DC. This will allow the batteries to be charged from the vehicle alternator when you're driving, and it is used heavily during the winter months when the solar yields aren't so high. And as a backup method, we also install a mains charger, which will mean in the winter, if there is no solar and you don't plan on driving very much, you can plug in at a campsite and recharge your batteries before your next adventure. To access the garage space, we've got these 2 access doors on the back, 1 access door from the top of the seat, and this central structural piece is on a drop-down hinge, so you can put larger items into and out of the garage. Thank you for watching this van tour video of our signature model Milo. We do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more content, check out our other videos on our channel, like and subscribe, or do get in touch if you have any other questions. We'll see you next time.